Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about there are three concepts in the karate framework, that is response byte and response status. These three things we are going to discussing today. And response is basically when you are hitting for some API. Now we can go to example the postman, and here I am hitting for endpoint, and then it is given the response. In this response, we if you want to verify some data, then we can able to use it for response. And response byte and response status, and what status it is provided, that status verification purpose we are using that status. Byte means at the server side it will rarely it will provide some data, means we can able to use this response bytes is a very rare case. In this example, like I am going to show you like concept wise, but not for example, because this is one we need to create some code and we need to reutilize for that I will doing some like I'm preparing some data, and I'll explain you the end of this video sessions. That moment I'll explain you this response bytes, why, how it works and all. I'll show you for this one, and now I'm going to display only two, response and response status one. Okay, and here response we need to get it for the like this, then we can able to use it. And I'll open for my here, and I already used for this endpoint here. Okay, now I'm going to use it for get operation, and status is verified. Then next one is I need to verify status match. I can able to use than or else and, both are same format. And I need to verify that this particular response value, means there are two ways we can able to directly we can able to use response or dollar symbol. Dollar symbol is represent for that response only. Both the format we can able to use to verify the response content. And I'm going to use here match and dollar length, and I'm going to specify for my response body value, this particular one, whether it is presented or not. We can able to use equal like this, or else we can able to use contains. Okay, and I'm going to specify my JSON, because we need to validate, right? For that I'm going to using that. Once again, and this response we must provide in the single line, then only it will take as a JSON format. You can able to declare into another place, define some variable, and like and def JSON equal, then we can able to declare this value, and then we can able to declare JSON. Comparison purpose we can able to use like this also. And I'm going to run here, run action class, to verifying whether that response, whether it is matched or not. Pass. Now both the things like matching, the content is matching, then it is passed. Okay, next one is response status. Response status, if you click this one, then you can able to see here response status, that is a assert method we can able to use, and we can able to specify response status. Here we are used for then status 200, right? To overcome that we can able to use this assert 200. or else in case if you need to verify that two things are coming like response status 204 is presented, then you can able to use for both the cases. You can able to specify this symbol. This symbol, if you are using like two responses, we can able to verify into one scenario place. In case if you next time it is changing, that moment also we can able to specify. And now here I am going to using here assert response status equal to 200. Then again we are running this particular one, because what will happen if you are using like this, it is basically it will take for assertion and both the status both are equal, then it will give you pass. Now my status is pass. Response status also working the same. Previous also what we done the same format, nothing different. This also same format. Both the things are verifying some status codes. Then and status equal to status and space 200, and here then assert response status equal to 200. Both are same format, and the only thing is like we can able to use another validation like this 201. Like this we can able to verify our response status. Only for that purpose we can able to use for response status. Okay, that's all about this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.